Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the service. Maven Clinic, found at mavenclinic.com, provides virtual healthcare designed specifically for women and families. From fertility and family planning to pregnancy and postpartum care, Maven connects you with a network of specialized healthcare providers. Whether you need assistance with egg freezing, IVF, or are looking for support during or after pregnancy, Maven aims to offer convenient and personalized care from the comfort of your own home. Their platform provides access to OB/GYNs, nurse practitioners, mental health professionals, lactation consultants, and more. Maven's goal is to empower women and families with readily accessible, expert-driven healthcare throughout every stage of the family journey. They strive to bridge the gaps often encountered in traditional healthcare systems by providing on-demand appointments, personalized care plans, and a supportive community. This can be particularly beneficial for managing the unique challenges and questions that may arise during significant life transitions like pregnancy or postpartum recovery. The platform also offers resources and educational materials to further equip you with the information you need. Maven Clinic seeks to be a comprehensive resource, offering support and guidance from preconception through early parenthood. Their digital platform aims to streamline the process of accessing quality care, eliminating many of the barriers commonly associated with in-person appointments. Furthermore, Maven recognizes the diverse needs of individuals and families, working to provide inclusive and culturally competent care. They believe that everyone deserves access to high-quality healthcare, regardless of location or circumstance. Through their network of dedicated professionals and user-friendly platform, Maven is working to revolutionize women's and family healthcare. By embracing technology, Maven empowers individuals to take control of their health journey and connect with the support they need when they need it.